everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a team in Once Human. If you want to join a team in Once Human and play with friends or participate in team events, joining the team is super easy. Launch open Once Human game on your device and make sure that you are logged in with your account. From the main menu, go ahead and tap on the flag button at the top left corner, this one over here, and it will take you to this page where you can easily join into a team or create a new team yourself. To join into a team, go ahead and find a team you want to apply for and tap on the apply button right next to it. Your application for the join in will be sent. Wait for the confirmation or approval from the team's leader. Once accepted, you will get a notification that you have joined into the team. So that is how you will be able to join into a team. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.